Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and today I am going to be doing just a review on the Curls CMOS line. And I did just do a review not too long ago on the Mael CMOS line. I did get this whole collection in my curl box, full collection right here. If you're interested in my review and what I think about these products, please keep on watching. Okay, so box has a monthly subscription. Have mainly natural hair products for people who have curly hair. They come with 5 full-size products, $25 a month. And I don't do the monthly subscription anymore because I have so many products. I really can't take anymore. I'll just go on the Curlbox website whenever they are having, a specific brand that I want. If you want to try out new products, on a monthly basis, Curlbox is definitely the way to go because they will give you so many products. But this one was not a prescription box. This one is just a regular box that you can buy from the website. I think it was $40 and $5 with shipping. We have the cleanser, the conditioner, a leave-in, a mousse, curl slime. They outdid themselves just with the packaging of these. The first product that I am starting out with, it will be the cleanser. I did start off with the CMOS, the Curls CMOS collection shampoo or cleanser. So it says this is the CMOS collection Powerhouse cleanser, natural detox purifying shampoo that promotes scalp health and encourages production of sebum in the scalp by drawing out toxins and free radicals. These toxins would otherwise cause damage and buildup on the scalp, which prevents the growth of healthy hair. It has little shells. It just has an aquatic, fancy look, and the shampoo is clear. It almost looks gold on camera, but it is a clear shampoo. But going in, when I hopped into the shower, I was putting this through my hair. The smell of this shampoo, it has a really good smell. This smells really good. It's not a natural smell, it's more of a fragrance kind of smell. This shampoo, it is on the cleansing side. As I was putting it through my hair, it did lather very, very quickly. As it was going in, I was able to run my fingers through it, and I was able to get it throughout my ends. And it did feel really good. If you want your hair clean, this is a really good cleanser. Now, does it feel stripped? Is it a stripping shampoo? I would say it's borderline. It's not the most moisturizing shampoo. I will say that it does get your hair clean. Now, your hair is going to be clean. I do feel like if I followed up with 2 washes with the shampoo, my hair would be dry. In general, I did like this shampoo. Is it a moisturizing shampoo? No, it's not. It's not a moisturizing shampoo, but it is a really good shampoo for cleansing. Would I recommend this shampoo? I would say yeah, if you want a good cleanse, but if you want something more moisturizing, then you probably wouldn't like this too much. I'd probably give this shampoo an 8 out of 10 just because it does everything it says it's gonna do. It's just not that moisturizing. And the next product that I have right here is the Curls CMOS collection. It's called a 92 Mineral Glow and Grow Conditioner. It says it's a strengthening moisture mask. So it is a mask. I don't know why it says conditioner on the front. It contains 92 out of 110 minerals in our skin, hair, and body needs. CMOS is a natural protein that naturally strengthens damaged, breakage-prone hair. I was putting this on, this conditioner. I didn't use much of it. I felt like I used a lot more of it in the shower, but as you can see, I did not use a lot of it. It doesn't look like this is gonna last long, but it looks like I did not use much, and it was pretty thick. Rubbing together and adding it throughout my hair. At first, I wasn't sure. It did initially just feel like a conditioner in my hair. I was not super impressed when I first put this on. Heat somewhat wetting up my hair and then putting it on. So it doesn't have that automatic, like, you know, slip. It doesn't have that automatic just moisture or anything like that. So you really do have to work it in your hair, which is fine. Once I wet it up a little bit with the warm water, I was able to really get it through, and I was like, okay, I kind of like how I was feeling. As when I did rinse it out, I was impressed. My hair felt really moisturized. It felt really good. Strengthened, I don't know if I could say I felt that, but my hair did feel really good coming out of the shower. And it probably did maybe have some strengthening because my hair did shrink up really good. Do I like this hair mask? Yes, I do really like it. I will be using this hair mask again. It's not a mind-blowingly amazing hair mask, but it is a good hair mask. I would give this hair mask an 8 out of 10 just because it does everything it says it's gonna do. It just could be more moisturizing on initial application. It could have a little more slip. In my hair, I did do a Flexi Rod set in my hair. I used the purple Flexi Rods throughout my hair. My hair right here, just sitting here, this is a different style. And I'll actually have a link up here so that you can look at how I achieved this style in my hair right here. The curls, the Sea Moss collection, the Moisture Magnet Sea Moss Curl Cream. And so it says lock and seal in moisture with this vitamin and mineral curl cream while conditioning and sculpting textured tresses. Soft and no hold. Soft / no hold. I mean, yeah. I'm surprised it says that on the front that it says on the front that there's no hold. Usually a curl cream doesn't have any hold. It's just like, you know, curl creams are just meant to just define your hair. It's just meant to moisturize and lightly define your hair. As I was using this on my hair, I do really like this product. This might be my favorite product in the whole line. Cream, I don't know why. I like that it has a thing where you can snap it and put it in your hands. So like that, it's easy to use. I was putting it throughout my hair. It smells really good. It's moisturizing. It did everything it was supposed to do. So I was very happy with this product. So the smell is, the whole collection kind of smells the same. It has a slight light fragrance smell, similar to the shampoo, but just a lot lighter. It's not anything that's gonna linger throughout your hair. This curl cream, a 9 out of 10. I do really like it. It's really good. It's really moisturizing, and it also defined my hair. One of my favorite products in the line. It's because I like moisture. I like a little bit of definition. I like my hair prepped correctly. So I do feel like I can use this curl cream with other products. I can probably use it with my wet line. Mix and match it with other products that will still give my hair good results. Next, we have the 2 stylers that's gonna hold your hair. Did the Flexi Rods. I use mostly the Mousse in my hair. There is a curl slime, but I use mostly the Mousse. This is the Curls, the Sea Moss collection Mousse, and it's called a Nourishing and Shine Sea Moss Mousse form. Vitamin and mineral infused, alcohol free, defining foam, formulated with clean ingredients that do not produce that traditional synthetic foam, but rather an organic foam. So you can also use this on dry hair to touch up and revive flat curls. I wouldn't do that. That's not what I do. I don't refresh my hair. If I'm refreshing my hair, it's just gonna be in a bun. It does have a good, like, it foams up really well. When I was putting it through my hair, I felt like I had so much in my hair that I had to almost wipe some off. Because I didn't want my hair to take forever to dry. I still have a ton of it, so this is definitely gonna last a while. So I would say this is a really good mousse. Like this is one of those mousses that have that good hold. Get your curls to last a week. Like it has a really good hold. And as I was applying my Flexi Rod, I'm not a mousse girl, not really, but I am very, very impressed with this. So I would highly recommend, if you're gonna get anything from this collection, it would be this mousse. I would give this a 9 out of 10. I did really like this product. And last but not least, we have the Slip Mineral Infused Curl Slime. The line just feels fancy. It just feels fancy. It feels like you're putting all that good stuff in your hair. Your hair is bougie and rich. You know, your hair is silicone free. It doesn't have all that bad stuff in it. And I love that the ingredients are super, like, it's not a lot of ingredients at all. Like, this little section is all the ingredients that are in these products. Not much at all, which means you are getting good stuff for your hair. So when they say slime, they meant slime. It reminds me of the African Pride pre-poo. It kind of reminds me of that, but more slimy, if that makes sense. And it's pretty thick. Like, you really have to really work it in. I didn't put much on my hair. I was trying to mix it with the mousse. Like, the mousse just took over and it didn't want to leave much space for the slime. We'll have to try this product by itself. I can't really give you a really good review of this. These are just supposed to work together. Like, I didn't put honestly much on there when I was doing my Flexi Rods because I didn't want my hair to take forever to dry. Very light with this, but I will say so far I like it. I feel like it gave that little bit of extra hold I needed. Shine boosting vitamin infused curl jelly that revives dull hair, defines and moisturizes with a medium hold. So there you go right here. It doesn't have a super strong hold, but it does have a medium hold. So far I would give this product probably an 8 out of 10 just because I didn't really review it completely how I wanted to. I did like so far what I saw. Checking out my Flexi Rods the next day, I was impressed with how my hair looked. My hair did have more shrinkage than I'm used to with my Flexi Rods sets. It did have a little more shrinkage, but I did love how it looked. My hair was springy. I had more body to it also, which, you know, you can expect that with any mousse. You're not going to have to hold that, you know, because usually I use my wet line. The wet line usually weighs my hair down more, but I did actually like how my hair came out. My curls were so cute. While styling it, you know, I was kind of rushing. That was right before I was getting ready to go to Atlanta to see my boyfriend. Impressed with my first day here. I love the body. I love how it was shaded, and especially over the days past when I was in Atlanta. It was really cold in Atlanta that weekend. I was really loving my hair. I thought my hair was really cute. I recommend if I was gonna grab anything from this collection, would be these two products right here. If you wanna grab anything from this collection, I think they are supposed to sell it at Ulta, and the sea moss foam mousse and the curl cream. Overall, this collection is better than the Mael's. Mael's wash day products were good. I enjoyed those, but everything else in this collection outbeat the Mael one a lot. I did really enjoy these products. Overall, I do think this is a great collection. It'll give you a nice Flexi Rod set, perm rod set, wash and go, you name it, braid out, it would twist out. It would give you, especially the mousse, I feel like this would be amazing for twist outs and braid outs. So yeah. All right, so that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching again. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you care. I do appreciate it. And I will see you next time I upload again. Thank you so much for watching again, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Bye.